There's a crisis going on right now, and it's that most people are wasting their time flossing incorrectly. So here are the top 3 mistakes that I see as a dentist. Number 1 is that most of you are popping the floss in and out between the teeth. This does help prevent cavities by breaking up the plaque where the toothbrush cannot reach. But to prevent gingivitis, you need to go further down that gum line and curve the floss to hug the tooth. Make sure to go down both sides of each tooth 10 times each. What you're seeing here is only 1 time. The second biggest mistake I see is that people get scared when it starts to bleed. You may be bleeding at first until your gums get used to it, and with consistency, it goes away. Now, what you will see coming off this floss is soft mush. This is plaque. So the third biggest mistake I see is when people use the same piece of floss to floss their entire mouth as is with floss picks. See how you're just transferring the plaque all over the mouth to the new spot? Use a fresh new piece of floss by sliding the floss over. Let me know if this helped. Bye!